that's not a place you want to arrive at. So what about those who are noting vanishing abilities with each passing day? Can't run anymore, can't walk fast anymore, can't jump anymore, can't reach anymore, balance is poor. The list is endless. Finally, you find yourself a spectator in your own life, watching your decay. So the first thing you have to do is draw a line in the sand. Decide that it is not okay to wither while you still have breath. Pick something that you want to do, or something you don't want to do, and then put it in positive terms. I am embarrassed to admit, but for your benefit and improvement, I will admit it. My turning point was deciding if it was time to use a cane. Yeah, I felt so wobbly that I realized how far away the floor really was. I realized that I could easily fall just from weakness, and that I would need to crawl to the nearest piece of furniture in order to get up. That was when I decided no more. I was going to turn things around. Now, I have to tell you, it was not easy.